Glide Apps tutorial. How to use Glide apps for beginners. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Glide apps, and the video will be beginner friendly. So first of all, you need to open your browser and search for Glide, and after clicking enter, you can see the third web link is says glideapps.com. So you have to click on that no code app builder, and after coming here you have to just simply sign up for the website, and uh, you can also log in through this website if you already have an Glide app. Since I have no pre-built Glide account, so I'll just go with sign up, and I'll just go with sign up with Google. You can just manually input your email here, and after signing up with Google I'll click on that and continue and say edit. Okay, continue. After that it will take me to the Glide apps dashboard. As you can see, it's asking me how did you hear about Glide, and I'll just select it from YouTube, and I'm building apps for my clients, my school, my personal project, my non-profit, my work. Let's say my non-profit. And how many people work for you at your non-profit? Just me. What's your non-profit? Save Earth, like you see. And what's your role? I'll just click on operations. What's your job level? Let's say individual contributor, and click on next. And after that it will take me to the this page. What do you want to create? Summarize your idea. uh, uh, it says knowledge base, inventory manager, sales CRM, task tracker, customer portal, event app, or HR platform. So let's select a inventory manager or HR platform. Let's select customer portal to track order status and shipping details. Let's continue with that. And here you can see customer portal to track order status and shipping details, order plus, order status, and shipping tracker. As you can see, let's glide. Your app is ready. Here you can do next, sync your data from your spreadsheet database, automate tasks with custom workflows, transform your data with AI features, integrate with 40 plus popular tools. You can also customize and share your app to users. So do this later. Let's just go backwards and skip this part. I want to show you how you will manage the Glide apps and all, not directly make one app for now. So my non-profit, I'll select YouTube, continue, just me. What's a non-profit? Save Earth, option like operations, like individual contributor, next. And after that we'll just skip this part, and it will take us to the dashboard. Here it is. As you can see, it says Ricky Vale's team on the left corner, left upper corner, and there are apps here. If you click on the apps, it will show the apps included on the Glide. As you can see, here's a button like upgrade if you want to get paid version, and you can add members also. And here it will show the usage and the billing and the templates and the settings. And on the right side we can see the account setting theme. You can use system default or light, dark, and the sign out option. You can also see there's the invite button here. So let's just build an app for you guys and see on templates. Create templates to recreate apps quickly, share privately. Okay, just go on apps, introduction to Glide. What is Glide? You can see if you want to, and we'll click on new app. After that, we can see there are many templates like basic app, portal, blank. You can also start with data like sharing your Google Sheets, your table, uh, post GRE SQL, or Glide Big Tables, Excel Online, MySQL, Cloud SQL, SQL Server, BigQuery. You can just select any of that, and you can I'll just go with the basic app. Click on create app, and it will ask some information to build the app right now. So let's just wait and see what type of infos they need from us. Like the basic app, there in this template you can see the items here, and if you click on the categories, you can see the category 1, 2, 3. You can see the user profiles here. You can also add collections here, and on the categories sector we can see the source is category, and label is category, style is list. You can also give it like card, table, data grid, kanban. You can also make it like calendar, checklist. You can customize it on your liking, and you can just edit the title here, description. You can give the description here also. You can just select the actions, right, like allow users to add items, allow users to edit items, allow users to delete items. So you can just select allow users to add items. I'll let it be as it is, and the options are you can add conditions here. Okay, conditions here, and you can filter data, limit the items displayed based on their properties. You can write a title here like let's say work slug. You can write a slug also here, and it's mobile view and it's a PC view or something. And as you can see the data here, and you can set up workflow and like automations that work wonders built in moments. Automate time consuming task by triggering multiple steps, by schedule email, webhook, or app interaction. You can just start from existing one like row creator, email ingester, ingest an email and add to your table. You can also AI email summarize, add AI email summarizer, receive an AI generated summary of an email in your inbox. You can also add AI email extractor here and AI email responder also, and you can also add webhook ingester here. You can also just add click on new workflow, and you can just click any of them like schedule or email or manual or Slack message or webhook or app interaction, whatever you want to. And after that we can see here the settings options, and if we click on here we can see the name and icon, appearance. We can just customize the appearance from here, and after that we can click on access and we can give the access or remove access from here. We can see on the integration we can add CSV, data structure, device info, files, pixels, XML, and many more. We can also add Azure here, and after that on the advanced section we can see user data and sign in screen and data from here. And that's it for the app. And after everything you just have to click on publish and uh, just rename Ricky's app, uh, link is taken and none. See, okay, it's available, and you can just select on publish, and that's it. Your app is now ready, and you can just use this app for the purpose you have made it for, and you can just copy app link and give it to someone like your friend or your colleague or your client, and you can use the app from here, and you can also upgrade from here from free to a plan like Explorer, Maker Plan, or Business Plan. So it will be better for you to have more rooms and more tools to use to make your app perfect. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video helped you, and make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and see you on the next video.